Hello friends, welcome back to your channel. Today I am going to show how to restore the backup from Windows Server.
Friends, we have already one backup which is taken in our previous session, how to install and configure Windows Backup Server step by step.
You may check out to my playlist. Also you can watch it. So I am going to our workstation to start this demonstration. So friend, I am in the same server which is used in previous video. We have taken the backup. So now I am start to recover this. Okay, I am just click on recover. So here is the option you want to recover or restore that recovery file to your this system or another location. So I want to restore in the same location. So click on next. Okay. So see friend, we have only one backup because here is the demonstration environment. We have taken only one backup. So I just show you. First of all, I just click on this our computer and C drive, and under the C drive program file here is the VMware tool. So I am just click on that. See friend, here is the multiple files is there. Okay, so I just try to delete this one. So friend, let's suppose we have deleted the file accidentally, so I am just trying to recover this. So I just select and delete this file. Okay, I think some file is used, so don't worry, I just escape. So some file is deleted, so I just try to recover this file. Okay, so I am in recovery wizard, so I just click on file. So here we have the only one backup, which is Tuesday 12 October. So I am just click on next. So file and folders. So here is the multiple option, file and folders, volumes, application, and the system state. So I am just click on first file and folder because we have accidentally deleting some files. So under this I just click on the C drive, program file, VMware. So I am just selecting the VMware tools, all the folders, click on next. So original location. Okay, so I just click on next. Okay, is trying to recovery. I just check it. See friend, here is only 15 items. Okay, so see now is 56 item. So recovery is complete successfully. Okay, so I just click on recovery wizard. Okay, first option select. Only we have one backup, click on next. So here is the multiple option, you just try volumes, application, system stat. Okay, so I just show you the application, how you can recover the application from the your backup file. So I am just clicking on the application, click on next. Okay, so see we have only registry application, so I am just selecting first one, click on next. So here is asking the recovery location, so I am just browse it. So friend, I just create one folder, recovery reg. Okay, click on OK, click. So before clicking recovery, I just show you in our desktop we have created one folder under the desktop, recovery-reg. So I think some mistake, recovery-reg. Okay, again I select. Okay, click on. Next, so here is empty, folder is empty. So now I'm click on next. So recover. So friends, see, recovery process is completed. Close this window and just click on the our recovery.reg folder. See friend, here is one folder is recovered, registry. Under this, these are the files. Okay. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like this video, and please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for new update.